How to create lower thirds in Kdenlive. First of all, open Kdenlive and create or open a project where you want to add the lower third. Next, go to the project bin and right click to add title clip. This will open the title editor where you can design your lower third. Then, create a rectangle or shape at the bottom of the title canvas to serve as the background of your lower third. Choose a color that contrasts well with your video. After that, add text boxes on top of the shape to include information like names, titles, or other details. Customize the font, size, color, and position of the text to match your style. Once you finish designing, click on Create Title. It will automatically be added to your project bin. Finally, drag and drop the title clip onto a track above your video on the timeline. Adjust the duration and position of the clip to control when the lower thirds appear. And that's it. Now you know how to create lower thirds in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.